Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey. With me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management. And welcome to today's Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, today we're talking about, is international investing really worth the risk? And one thing about our firm is we don't like to invest in international companies, and now you're kind of finding out why. If you had a fund that's international, like the Vanguard Europe fund, it was down 14% in 2 years. I don't think we had any stocks that fell by 14% in 2 years.
I think you meant in 2 days.
2 days, I'm sorry, 2
Yeah.
days. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm glad you caught that. I fell out, it said 2 years. 2 days, we had, I don't think any stocks that fell 14% in 2 days. So that's a horrendous. And what happened was you had a drop in the stock prices because of what's going on, but also
There was a rising dollar versus declining euro. So what happens is these securities are dominated in euros. And with the weakening euro, the dollar's higher than that, so you actually take on currency risk as well. And we don't like to take on the currency risk. I already don't know the accounting standards over in Europe, but now I have to deal with the currency risk as well. So those are just things to think about when investing in the international funds and companies. And the thing that happened with this being down 14%, some people panic and sold out. So what happens in these mutual funds is the fund managers has to meet what's known as net redemption. Those are those investors panicking and selling out, and they have to sell off positions, which hurts your equity in the mutual fund.
yeah, because those positions are gone. That's why we like to buy American companies that do business overseas, because they take care of the currency risk for us. So that's why we like to buy American companies, not international companies. Let's talk about a U.S. company. That's strictly U.S. company. That's Corrections Corporation of America. We see right now around $34.85. The high for the year, 35, the low 24. But look at this, going back to 1998. One time it was over $60 a share. So it's done quite a bit, but right now around 34. So let's look at the numbers here for you. See if Corrections Corporation of America is a buy. Now what they do is they do prisons, jail, residential reentry, which is the halfway house is what they do. And actually sales looking pretty good, up 8.7%, and earning climb 4.9%. So I'm liking this, and this is part of the news that comes out today.
Yeah, and I will point out this is a REIT as well, which is a real estate investment trust, and I'll kind of dig down deeper into what is a REIT and how does it differ versus your traditional companies. And one thing I love about this company, you can see here, dividend of 6.2%. So that's lovely. I love sitting around with a 6.2% dividend. But you can see here, payout ratio, 121%. That's a little frightening, but I will point out they are structured a little bit different. So we look at what's known as FFO, and I'll address that. One thing I did look at is cash from operations in the first quarter were $120.3 million, and they used $60 million to pay out dividends. So that's okay. Again, I'll address more of that in today's newsletter. And finally, the target sell price going out to December 2017, the FFO, $2.79, gives us a target sell price of $46.04, which is about 30% above the current price. So that is another plus.
I kind of like this, and again, we keep talking about the newsletter. If you want to get the newsletter, make sure to go to the website, smartinvesting2000.com. Again, that's smartinvesting2000.com. Well, let me ask you if you're happy with the current returns on your portfolio, on your investments. Maybe you're just unhappy with the current advisor. That could mean it's time for you to give us a call here at Wilsey Asset Management. We've been managing money for 30 years, actually over 30 years now.
Yeah, you want to give us that call? Our phone number here is 858-546-4306. And if you want to sign up for the newsletter, or if you missed any previous Smart Investing Daily Briefings, go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com.